Overview. 2014 may be a year of profound and exciting transformations for you. The period from January to 15th April will be highly influenced by Mars and then Venus. This gives positive impact on your professional life. Your efforts and analytical approach will be highly appreciated, and the work done on professional development takes you to the next level of success. Any changes at this period of time will definitely bring accomplishments. It is advisable to keep aside your conservative approach. Certain planetary transits show complications at your relationship sector, mainly doubts and confusions regarding the future of your affair. Now, the phase after 15th April to 30th September is less productive due to Saturn and Mars offsetting Venus and Moon. You will act more independently, which may affect negatively sometimes on your professional side. This is not an ideal time to start new business ventures or to do any high speculative activity. Losses are likely to happen from long-term investments. Be focused and keep your spirits high. Returns will not be assured at this phase of time but will definitely come to your way. Friends and family support will boost your morale. Personal relationships will be smooth and relaxing. No major conflicts or disturbances are foreseen. The last 3 months of 2014 are not easy for you. The positive powers of the planet Saturn will be suppressed by disruptive Venus. And at the same time, Mars will also yield to the Moon, which will cause additional problems. The professional life goes from bad to worse in the month of October. This doesn't mean you'll go bankrupt or something, but this period will give stress at maximum. On simple words, luck will not play his part professionally as well as on a personal front also. Relationship will be neutral, but stay away from minor conflicts. Patience is the key. Do not let your stress affect your professional or personal life at all. Health will also demand special care at this phase. Love and romance. The planet Neptune will stay in Scorpio's house of love in 2014 and gives a dual impact on your personal relationship. For singles, it is the best time to choose your romantic partner. But an odd location of Neptune will not help you to transform that relationship into a committed one. The transit of Saturn gives some relief from troubles or confusing state of mind. The period from 5th November 2013 to 5th March 2013 is the time when the planet Venus, ruler of Scorpio's house of couples, retrogrades from Scorpio's house of intellect. This transit triggers a lot of confusion and thinking process related to your future. Especially many questions will be aroused related to the seriousness of your relationship. During this phase, try to give time and to understand your partner. Do not jump into conclusions yourself. It is always better to talk and discuss your problem. The months April, June, August, October, and the end and beginning of November are very romantic, harmonized, and relaxing for you. The remaining months are neutral. Career and finance. The first 3 months of 2014 are wonderful and promising. Your aspiration goes high and leads you to reach next level at career front. Many new and bright opportunities come to your way. Grab it before it gets delayed. This is an ideal phase for long-term investments and setting up business. The period from 15th April to 30th September is less productive due to Saturn and Mars offsetting Venus and Moon. Your independent approach may backfire you, so avoid being impulsive and think twice before taking any major decisions. Keep yourself away from speculations. Losses are likely to happen from long-term investments. Control your expenses. Any unexpected expenditure may upset your financial equilibrium. Luck is not there from October to December 2014. The planet Venus will suppress the powers of Saturn and Mars will yield to the Moon, resulting in additional troubles. October is very tough and indicating difficulties at career and money side. Best way to plan your budget, control spending habits, and do not let stress levels high as it affect your overall efficiency and thinking process. Health and wealth. The months July, August, and September are challenging for you due to Jupiter's retrograde movement. These months suggest to take special care of you and to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Any minor ailment are not to be ignored or taken lightly, especially joints or digestion-related problem. The planet Pluto helps to restore health after illness. You just need to think positive and keep your spirits high. Last 2 months demand practices like meditation, which will help to keep down your stress level and give inner strength.